Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to register on PCEX exchange. So in order to do it, first of all, you will have to open your web browser and search for PCEX exchange or PCEX.com website. Now once you have found it, you need to simply click on it and then you will be landed on PCEX exchange. Now over here, in order to create your account, you will see the login/register option. So you need to simply click on it and then you will be redirected on the next page where it will ask you to provide your email address, your verification code and your password to log in into your account. But since you want to register, if you are not able to see this page, you will have to first click on the register option and then provide your email address, your verification code that will be sent on your email address, the password that you want to create for your account, your confirmation password and the invitation code. Now invitation code is mandatory here, so I will put the link or the invitation code down in the description. So make sure you copy that code and paste it over here. Only then you will be able to register on PCEX exchange. Now once you fill out this form, once you filled all of these details, you will be able to easily register on PCEX exchange and the interface after login will look something like this. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video and pressing that notification bell. Thanks for watching.